what's up guys? This is Daniel back from Bar Shield with episode 115 of Bar Tip Tuesday. Today we're just going to talk about what plate is best for you. So if you're in the market for some plates, these are going to be 4 of the most common plates that you'll see. So whether you're building a home gym or you have a gym yourself that you're building out for your members. So starting on the more economical side of things, we have the high temp right here and the HG from Rogue Fitness. These will be 2 of the most common you'll see in a functional fitness or CrossFit setting, just due to the ability to drop them from overhead and to withstand all of that abuse, right? So starting with the HG plate, this is an imported plate from China here. Compared between the 2, these are going to be a little bit thinner as far as the width goes. You can see here, this is a 25, this is a 45 right here, but these are definitely going to be thinner, so you're going to be able to load more weight onto the bar. The newer model of these, or the new design that Rogue made, they're actually even a little bit thinner, so you could get even more weight onto the bar. Okay, these are going to be a glossier finish, so you technically could use both of these outside without tearing them up too bad. However, bringing out a stall mat and using a stall mat is going to be ideal. The recycled rubber ones right here, the high temps, these are going to be a little bit better for outdoors. However, these do bounce much more than the HGs, okay? And these are a little bit more expensive than the HGs as well. So these are a recycled rubber plate from Alabama. So there's gonna be 2 of the more economical options. One thing that's not great about these is gonna be all the drops from overhead. You'll see that you'll start to get cracking around the inserts here. So what that's gonna do is going to it's going to start loosening up the inserts right here and eventually causing them to pop out. Okay, so it's really important to do your homework as far as the warranty goes. It's 1 in 3 years. I'm trying to remember. I think it's 1 year for the HGs and 3 years for the high temps. But I'll have that in the article for Bar Tip Tuesday. So just make sure to check that out, or check out roguefitness.com. Okay, moving down the line, we have a steel plate here. This is going to be more suited for the powerlifting setting. That's going to be the most popular. You're not going to want to use these outside. You're not going to be dropping these more from the hip. If you're doing like a deadlift or something like that, great for squats, bench. You'll see these a lot of times in meets and stuff like that. And then finally at the end here, you're going to have the competition ones here. There's a bunch of different types of competition plates on the market today. They're pretty expensive, so just know that going into it. If you really have a strong Olympic weightlifting crowd, this would probably be a good idea to invest in a set of Olympic weightlifting competition plates. So they have a bigger stainless steel insert. Ideally, you want to drop these on a platform that is made for Olympic weightlifting. Obviously, that's not the case at every gym. It's usually more few and far between. But yeah, they are definitely going to be more expensive. They have a bolt pattern on the front here that you can actually, because you'll start to get a little jingling over time. I mean, it's just inevitable from all the drops and abuse. But they have this bolt pattern on here. You just grab an Allen wrench and you tighten it down and you're good to go. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. If you have any other questions, again, there's more plates than this, but this is a good starting point if you're in the market for some plates. So let us know what you think, and we'll see you next week.